In the next 90 seconds, I'll introduce you to the air fountain system, a groundbreaking solution for generating clean water from the air. Developed by survival expert John Gilmore, this system is designed to provide a reliable water source even in the harshest conditions. The air fountain system is a comprehensive guide that teaches you how to build a device capable of extracting up to 10 gallons of potable water daily from the air, even in desert environments. Inspired by technology used by the Israeli army, this system ensures you have access to fresh water, regardless of external circumstances. Here are two key benefits of the air fountain system. Self-sufficiency. Gain independence from traditional water sources, which can be unreliable during droughts or emergencies. Cost-effective. Construct the device using affordable, readily available materials, saving money on water bills and emergency supplies. The guide provides step-by-step instructions, complete with illustrations, to help you build and operate your own air-to-water generator. No prior technical expertise is required, making it accessible for everyone. The air fountain system comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to try it risk-free. Purchase directly from the official website to ensure you receive the authentic guide. Don't wait for the next drought or emergency. Secure your water independence today with the air fountain system.